Okay then. Okay then, let's start. Very good morning to all of you. Okay. So, I was doing the chapter. Today I will be taking your English text class. Okay. And the chapter I was doing, that is, yes, very good morning to all of you. The chapter I was doing, that is the tiger and the mosquito, isn't it? The tiger and the mosquito. The tiger and the mosquito. The reading of the chapter and some spellings I have completed, and today I will do the exercises. Okay. Okay. So let's continue with the exercises. All of you open page number 93. Open page number 93 and you can see the exercises over there. Okay, all of you take out your copies and I will write the question and answers from here. Okay. Now let's see the reading is fun part in page number 93. Reading is fun part. There you can see 3 questions over there. Let's solve these 3 questions. For first question, the reading is fun part. Okay. First question. What was the tiger doing when the What was the tiger doing? What was the tiger doing? What was the tiger doing when the mosquito came buzzing by? When the mosquito came buzzing by. What was the tiger doing when the mosquito came buzzing by? Okay. So the answer will be, can you tell me what the answer can be? The tiger was dozing under a tree when the mosquito came buzzing by, isn't it? The tiger was dozing under a tree, isn't it? The tiger was dozing under a tree when the mosquito came buzzing by. When the mosquito came buzzing by. So the answer will go like this. Okay. What was the tiger doing when the mosquito came buzzing by? The answer will be, the tiger was dozing under a tree when the mosquito came buzzing by. Okay. Now number 2. Yes, why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? Why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? Why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? We can write the answer like, the tiger hit his cheek with his own paw. The tiger hit his cheek tiger hit his cheek with his own paw. Hit his cheek with his own paw, so it started bleeding. So it started bleeding. Okay, this is the second question. Or 3 what? Okay dear. Okay, the second question is, why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? The tiger hit his cheek with his own paw, so it started bleeding. Okay, the tiger hit his cheek with his own paw, so it started bleeding. Okay, so number 1 you have completed, because the third one I will write now. Number 1 all of you completed. Now I will write the third question. What was the tiger doing when the mosquito came buzzing by? The tiger was dozing under the tree when the mosquito came buzzing by. So will I erase number 1? Let me know, or I will erase. Then the third one I will write. Okay, I am erasing now. The first question. I will write the third question now. Okay. Third number question. Why did the tiger walk away? Why did the tiger walk away? Why did the tiger walk away? We can write the answer like, the tiger walked away because he was helpless. Yes, the tiger walked away. The tiger walked away because he was helpless. Okay, because the tiger walked away because he was helpless. Okay, all of you have done? Write it down very carefully. And now you can see in the let's talk part, that why did the mosquito say, I'm not afraid of you? You can write the answer like on your own, that why did the mosquito say, I'm not afraid of you? Because he thought that everyone is great in its own way, and he doesn't care about he is small in size and the tiger is big in size. He has his own capability. So in that way we can write it like, in that way the mosquito said that he is not afraid of the tiger. Okay. Yes, the mosquito was confident about his power. That is also you can write. You will write it whatever you feel, you will write it on your own. Okay, I have just discussed this question. Okay, then you can see say aloud part. There we can see a box and some of the words you need to say. You are told to say aloud. First, bank, bin, biscuit, bun. Then goose, gown, grey, gun, fan, few, field, fish, and lamp, lick, lip, lose. Okay. Now let's come to the let's share part. Let's share part, that's what I will write. The first question, what do we learn from this story? What do we learn from this story? Okay, I am just erasing number 2. From here number 2 I am erasing, and then I will write the let's share part question number 1. The first question I will write. Okay, so I am erasing number 2 from here. Will I erase? Let me know. All of you have done this number 2. I will erase this number 2 question. Okay. 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 I am already standing aside there. Okay. So I am just erasing number 2 here. All of you mute your microphones. Now let's do the let's share part number 1. Let's share part. The first question I will write. Let's share. What do we learn from this story? What do we learn from this story? So what do we learn? Can you tell me? What do we learn from this story? Can you tell me? What do we learn from this story? So we learn from this story that we learn from this story that everyone is great in his own way. Everyone is great in his own way. Isn't it? So this is we learn. Anshika, you haven't write the second question number 2. Okay, I am repeating. Why did the tiger's cheek start to bleed? The answer will be the tiger hit his cheek with his own paw, so it started bleeding. The tiger hit his cheek with his own paw, so it started bleeding. Okay, this is the answer of the second question. Now you can see over here the let's share part. What do we learn from this story? So we learn from this story that everyone is great in his own way. Okay, everyone is great in his own way. Now the second question, describe the lion and the tiger, how are different from each other. You can see in the pictures that the tiger has black stripes but the lion have no kind of a stripes. You can see what differentiation you find in the between lion and tiger. You will write it on your own. I am not writing it. Okay, and just number 1 question I have written. What do we learn from this story? We learn from this story that everyone is great in his own way. Okay, now let's come to the let's write part in page number 94. Okay, all of you have completed these? All of you have completed? Will I erase now? I will now do page number 94 and in page number 95. Okay, and in page number 95 you can see the dotted line dots. You need to join the dots and write the letters. Okay, that's what you can do at your home. So page number 95 will be your homework. You will do this. Page number 95 you can see dots. You need to join the dots and make the letters. Okay, so you will do that at your home. Now I will do page number 94. You can see some fill in the blanks over there. Okay, so I am erasing the board. The whole board I am erasing. Okay. You can write it in your book also. You can see that in the fill in the blanks there are dotted words. You can see, you can understand by seeing those, but till I am doing this, and so I am erasing the board. You can do this in your book. Page number 94. Number 1, fill in the blanks. A dash was dozing under the tree. What you can understand that a tiger was dozing under a tree. So it will be tiger. In the first blank there will be tiger. You just trace the dots and write the words. Okay. Number 2, a dash came buzzing by, a mosquito. A mosquito came buzzing by. Number 3, the tiger hit out with his dash. Okay, you have completed, very good. Paw. The tiger hit out with his paw. Number 4, the mosquito buzzed dash. The mosquito buzzed away. A-W-A-Y, away. And number 5, everyone, okay, all of you have completed, very good. Everyone is dash in his own way, great. Everyone is great in his own way. Everyone is great in his own way. Okay. So first one, a tiger was dozing under a tree. Second one, a mosquito came buzzing by. Third one, the tiger hit out with his paw. Fourth one, the mosquito buzzed away. And fifth one, everyone is great in his own way. Okay. So we can say this chapter is almost complete, and page number 95 you will do at your home. Okay. Now I will take your present. All of you write pure present in the chat box. I will take your present now. No one will leave the class until I complete, okay? Or you will be absent, remember. Okay, I have taken you present, all of you present. Okay, as I can see, all of you have written also. Very good. And the chapter is also completed, and page number 95 we will do at your home. Okay, so and the time is up also. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye.